To all the hardworking folks buried under mountains of work, hang in there. Welcome to this Saving the Chaos tutorial session. Today, we're looking at a lifesaver plugin specifically built for iDempiere by Taiwan community contributor Ray Lee, request Kanban. We all know cross-departmental communication is usually a disaster. But with this system, at least you can watch the cards sit there in neat rows and pretend everything is under control. Once you're in, you'll see all requests locked up in their own little columns. From start to finish, progress is crystal clear, even if you'd rather pretend you didn't see it. Updating progress is brain-dead simple, just drag and drop with your mouse. Even my kid could do it, so you have zero excuses for saying the system is too complex, I don't know how to use it anymore. What's even better, and scarier, is this real-time sync feature. As soon as you update something, it flashes on your colleague's screen instantly, no more chance to play dead. The filter up top is great too, you can go looking for trouble or see which team is slacking off. The system even color codes everything by priority, those bright red ones? Yeah, that's where you need to go put out the fire right now. Alright, that's the basics of the Kanban system. In the next episode, we'll move into practical training, how to create a new request correctly and gracefully, pass the buck. Assign it to the right people. See ya in the next one. Keep it up, okay?